Hi there, this is Alex, and in this video I will be talking about the spiral techniques. As you know, beadwork is rich for spiral techniques, and sometimes it can be quite confusing to tell them apart. For that very reason, I decided to show you two classic spiral techniques with some variations and one tubular peyote stitch. A very easy stitch to start with is spiral rope. It features a core of beads with loops of additional beads that rotate around the core. This green one is very basic spiral rope. It features one loop for each core bead. And this is a very nice example of spiral rope. If you see bracelet like this or necklace like this, you will see straight away that it's a spiral rope. You can see the dark green beads in the middle and then the loop spiraling around these core beads. This pinky bracelet has also one loop per core bead, but as you can see it features different beads and different sizes of beads, and each loop is much loose than in the green one. And the third bracelet here has two loops of beads spiraling around the core pearls. One loop has the magenta beads in it, and the other loop is brownish with the fair glass bead. The next spiral technique is Russian spiral, which is a variant of tubular netting. It looks the best with beads of two or more sizes, resulting in alternating stripes. This brown bracelet has a repeating pattern of 211 beads and one pearl, and there are 9 beads per round. The grey one has also 9 beads per round, but instead of 3 hex beads, it has only 2 hex beads and 1 fair glass. And at the end I have a bracelet done using that spiral technique. That spiral is basically tubular peyote stitch. And tubular peyote stitch follows the same principle as the basic flat peyote stitch, but instead you work in rounds to form a tube. And the main characteristic of that spiral is loose bridge of beads. Just to recap, in this video we covered two classic spiral techniques, spiral rope and Russian spiral, and also we covered the Dutch spiral, which is a variation of tubular peyote stitch. In part 2 we will have a look into African helix and Cellini spiral. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give us thumbs up and subscribe.